welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use Flowise and AI to create a simple and easy PDF chatbot. Let's get started. So first what you're going to do is you're going to create add new. And here it's going to be your blank canvas. We're going to be able to add your notes, add different things. So let's going to start by adding a PDF feature. We're going to drag and drop that here. This is going to allow us to upload a PDF. So next we're going to need a text splitter, and this is going to output the document. So what the text splitter is we're going to need to split this data into chunks. Recursive text splitter. Okay, we go here. And then next what we're going to need to do is we're going to add our Pinecone vector database. I'm going to assume you already know how to set up a Pinecone vector database, and if you don't, please leave a comment and I'll gladly create a simple tutorial on how to do that. So we're going to create that, connect our document to this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to need embeddings. And so you can use Hugging Face or you can use OpenAI. I like to use OpenAI. It's just easy. So we'll drag this to our embeddings. What you'll need to do is you'll need to put your API key in here as well as your environment name and the name of your index. So next what we need to do is we'll need to add the chat models. So adding this chat model, and then we will add a QA retrieval chain, which is going to allow us to be able to retrieve from the Pinecone database. All right, and so now that we have our open API keys put in here, as well as our Pinecone, our environment, and our index name, we should be able to run this pretty quickly. So let's go here, go over to the chat feature. I kind of already have a prompt I'll put in. Let's give me a detailed outline of chapter 1 and the themes in the first part of the story. Actually, let me upload my file real quick. So it's just going to be a Mark Twain file, book. I picked a random one that I found on the internet. And let's see. And there we go. And so this is just a breakdown of how you can use Flowise as a PDF chatter and be able to break down and view your documents and get more insight on them. Stay tuned for more tutorials.